The number of hungry people living in war zones is rising. 8 countries are recording emergency levels of food insecurity. Out of 100 people, 25 of them are not able to feed themselves. Countries such as Syria, Lebanon, Central African Republic, Ukraine, Afghanistan, Somalia have the highest number of food insecure people. The head of the World Food Programme said that we need to end wars if we want to reach zero hunger. Question 1. Why do you think people in war zone have hunger problem? Question 2. If given a chance, how would you help such people? Let's discuss these two questions in the classroom today.